Do you feel like your closet gets easily overwhelmed with stuff and becomes a huge mess and you don't even know how it happened? Today, I'm going to show you how to clean and organize your closet in just 15 minutes. So let's dive right in. Hello, fashionista. I'm Nancy Queen, and I'm here to help you build a closet full of clothes you love to wear so you feel good every single day. So today we are talking about closet organization. This is something I get asked about all the time, and it's something I know a lot about and I love to do, organizing my closet. I've downsized from a large home. I live in an apartment and I actually share a closet with my husband. So here is my closet space. I kid you not, this is it. What you're seeing here, I just pulled these things out so that I can show you on video, but that is my closet and that is all the space I have. So you're not seeing this huge walk-in room filled with all these clothes. That's it. I keep it really lean and mean and only keep clothes that I absolutely love to wear. So I'm going to show you how to clean your closet in 15 minutes with my best tips. So before you start, you're going to set a timer. And if you feel like 15 minutes is just not enough, do 30 minutes. But literally do not spend any more time than that on this. You're going to spend 15 minutes just doing a quick dive through going through your closet and organizing everything. The next thing you're going to do is put on your favorite music, maybe light some candles, just set yourself in a mood to get in the vibe and boom, do this. 15 minutes is not a long time and you're just going to crank through it. So put on something peppy that makes you feel good. Okay, the first 5 minutes, you're going to be doing a cleanup. If you have clothes on the floor, you're going to pick up those clothes. You're going to put all of your dirty clothes in a hamper. Get them ready to go in the wash. There's no reason to hang up dirty clothes. Just take them all, put them in the laundry. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to hang or fold all of the clean clothes. Maybe you have piles of clean laundry around that you just haven't gotten around to hanging up or folding. You're going to go through all those. Or sometimes you might go through a clothing try-on where you've tried on like 5 different things or 10 different things and you have clean clothes scattered all over the floor, all over your bed. Just go through all those, hang them, fold them, get them sorted so that they are ready to be put back in your closet. Then in the next 5 minutes, we are going to do a purge. And you're going to quickly go through all of the items in your closet. You're not going to spend a lot of time thinking about everything. You're just going to quickly make all of your decisions. When you're going through, this is what you're going to be looking for. You're going to be removing the following: anything that is torn, stained, or broken, like a broken zipper, a shirt with a stain on it, a pair of jeans that have ripped or torn. You're going to take those out. You're also going to be removing any garments that need to be hemmed, tailored, or dry cleaned. You're going to take out any items that don't fit you or that you don't feel good in. And finally, you're going to take out any clothes you have not worn in a year. For whatever reason, they go. Take them out. Now we're down to the last 5 minutes of our organizing. You're going to organize everything by classification. So as you can see in my closet, I have all the sweaters together, all my skirts and skirts together. I have my leggings together and my jeans and other pants together. And then I keep my tops and dresses together by color, but you can separate them out. You could do all the tops together, all the dresses together, all the coats together, etc. And then I also organize them from light to dark. Just as you can see here, I go from light to dark so that I can easily find things in my closet. And this method will allow you to mix and match clothes in your closet that you didn't think of. So you're not going to be organizing by outfit. So you're going to organize your closet by classification so that you can easily mix and match pieces in your wardrobe that you might not have even thought of before. In fact, I have a whole video on that right here and in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.